Learn Danish fast. I would like equals.
Jeg vil gerne.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we unlock the polite power phrase in Danish.
Jeg vil gerne.
The golden key to getting what you want without sounding bossy. Tiny joke to warm up. A genie appears and begs, please start with.
Jeg vil gerne.
So I know your wish. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll order, buy, and request with confidence. Your mission. Say, I would like, as.
Jeg vil gerne.
Then add the thing you want, coffee, tickets, ideas, like a pro. Forms and variations. Let's shape it for real life, polite request, negation, and a softer cousin. Polite request. Start with.
Jeg vil gerne.
And finish your wish. Example. I would like to order.
Jeg vil gerne bestille.
Negation. To refuse or decline, say.
Jeg vil ikke.
I do not want. Alternative. Softer, very polite.
Må jeg få?
May I have? Heads up. Don't confuse.
Vil.
With future, will. Here it's desire, not future tense. Mini dialogues on the go. Time to act it out. Imagine you're traveling across Denmark. At a cafe, you smile and say.
Jeg vil gerne have en latte, tak.
The barista nods like you just won politeness bingo. At the ticket desk, you declare.
Jeg vil gerne købe 2 billetter.
2 tickets appear, as if by Viking magic. In a meeting, you raise a point with.
Jeg vil gerne tilføje et punkt.
Colleagues appreciate the clarity. Rhythm drill. Tap and speak. Let's groove the phrase into muscle memory. Tap a 4-beat loop. Beat it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. On beat 1, say.
Jeg vil gerne.
Repeat 4 times. Ready? Go. Rhyme it. To ask and learn, say.
Jeg vil gerne.
In turn. Now add items on beat 3.
Jeg vil gerne. En kaffe. Jeg vil gerne. 2 billetter. Jeg vil gerne. Have vand.
Culture tip. Stay cool and courteous like a Dane. Starting with.
Jeg vil gerne.
Sounds natural and friendly in Danish cafes and shops. Add.
Tak.
Please, thanks, for extra sparkle, and use.
Undskyld.
Excuse me, to get attention before your request. If you blank mid-sentence, mini-drama, just smile, pause, and finish strong. Quick quiz. Lightning round, answer out loud. Q. Danish for, I would like. A.
Jeg vil gerne.
Q. How do you politely decline? A.
Jeg vil ikke.
Q. Softer, very polite alternative for, may I have? A.
Må jeg få?
Q. In a shop. Say you'd like to buy a map. A.
Jeg vil gerne købe et kort.
Challenge and wrap up. Ready for a mini mission? Right after this, order something, anything, even if it's imaginary. Say.
Jeg vil gerne have en kaffe, tak.
Or.
Jeg vil gerne købe 2 billetter.
Bonus. Add a smile and a tiny nod. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your Danish daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs from Synapse Lingo. You've got this.
Jeg vil gerne.
Is now your superpower.